We know that agents are LLMs with special powers. Special powers of these tools. But here is the catch. With too many powers come too many responsibilities. And our agent is not good at handling too many responsibilities. I mean, when single agent is given too many tools, it often makes poor decisions about which tool should be called. Then what is the solution? Instead of relying on single agent for everything, we assemble multiple agents to form a multi-agent architecture. In this, every agent is good at specific task. In this video, we are going to see one such multi-agent architecture called supervisor architecture. Consider it as a team of superheroes guided by an old captain. Old captain doesn't do everything by himself but comes with a plan and assigns right tasks to right hero. Similarly, our supervisor is like that captain who doesn't do actual work but decides which agent should be called and when it should be called. Let's see an example. In the supervisor architecture, we have two specialized agents. One is a math agent and one is a web search agent. When user asks a query, supervisor reads it and decides which agent should handle it. It correctly passes that query to that agent, takes the response back and passes that response to the user. And here is an interesting part. When user's query requires multiple agents to work on it, supervisor correctly manages the flow of query from one agent to another agent and gives back that response to the user. For example, user asks what is the total headcount of employees working in Meta, Amazon, Google, Netflix, which are often referred as man companies. Supervisor correctly picks the web search agent first, takes the response of number of employees and passes that data to the math agent to calculate the sum of employees and eventually passes the response to the user. Alright, let's see this working in VS Code. Here we have a math agent and a research agent. Let us ask this architecture the same question we discussed earlier. What is the combined total headcount of employees working in man companies? These are the man companies. Let's run this code. Supervisor first called the research agent from which the web search tool is being called. Then supervisor called the math agent from which the add tool is calling. And at the end, it correctly gave the response. Thank you.